Most people start LeetCode feeling completely overwhelmed, trying different websites, watching random tutorials, following whatever looks easy, and still not seeing any progress. And honestly, I was one of them. I had no idea where to start or how to think. Hi everyone, my name is Razan, and I'm a software engineer. When I started LeetCode, I couldn't solve the easy problems, literally not even the simple ones. But today, after solving 1,000 problems on LeetCode, I finally figured out what actually works. So, in this video, I'm gonna share the tips that truly made a difference for me. Tip number 1 is learning the data structures. And I don't mean studying a whole university course. I just mean to understand how each one works in the simplest way. Like, what is an array doing? Why do we use a stack? How does a queue process things? When you understand these ideas, LeetCode become much easier. And honestly, the best explanation I found were from Abdul Bari on YouTube. He makes everything feel simple. Tip number 2. Learning the main patterns. This is actually the core of LeetCode. Most problems are not unique. They're just the same patterns in different shapes. The patterns you really need are 2 pointers, sliding window, hash map, DFS and BFS, binary search, and of course, dynamic programming. When you understand these, you literally stop memorizing solutions and start recognizing them. For example, any problem that says longest substring or longest windows, that is sliding window almost every time. If the array is sorted, you instantly think of 2 pointers or binary search. If they mentioned frequency or counting, that's a hash map. These patterns repeat again and again. When you learn them, you will stop feeling random and start feeling more structured with LeetCode. Tip number 3. Use a pen and a paper before you even touch the keyboard. A lot of people jump straight into typing and then they get stuck because the logic is not clear yet. Instead, take a few minutes and walk through the example on paper. Draw and simulate what is happening. Move the pointers step by step, track how the count changes, and so on. When you see the problem on paper, the logic becomes so much easier to understand. Most of the time, the solution clicks before you even start coding. It is a simple step, but it makes a huge difference. Tip number 4. Always start with the brute force idea. Just write the simplest solution you can think of, even if you know it's slow. Then ask yourself one question. Okay, how can I make this faster? Maybe you can use hash map instead of 2 loops. Maybe you can use 2 pointers instead. This process is the real problem solving. It is exactly how you can get better and how interviews expect you to think, which is more important. Tip number 5. Try to solve the problem yourself before watching anything. Don't open YouTube immediately. Give your brain a chance to think. Just imagine you watching someone playing soccer will not make you good at soccer. The same thing happened here in problem solving. Tip number 6. Repeat the problems you struggled with. Repetition helps way more than just jumping to a new question. When you redo a problem after a few days, the pattern becomes clearer. This is how the logic actually sticks in your brain. Tip number 7. Don't stress about the programming language you would use. It really doesn't matter if you use Python, Java, JavaScript. Whatever language you understand the most is fine. Personally, Python is great because it's simple and close to English. But remember something, job interviews care about how you think, not about the sentence you are typing. Tip number 8. Use time limits. Don't stay stuck on the same problem for 3 hours. That doesn't help you improve. I will give you a simple routine to use. Set 10 minutes to understand the problem. Then 20 minutes to try solve it yourself. After that, if you're still stuck, don't force it please. Check YouTube explanation or ask a friend, or you can even ask ChatGPT to explain it to you. Tip number 9. Actually interview yourself. Choose one problem on the weekend, set up a timer, record yourself explaining the solution out loud. This is one of the best ways to prepare for the real job interviews. Tip number 10. Use good resources to learn. And don't waste your time watching random videos or confusing explanations. I will give you the resources I used. On YouTube, you can find LeetCode and Abdul Bari. Also, you can use Blind75 website. Remember that the good resource will help you save your time and learn faster. I'm not gonna lie on you. LeetCode is hard, and every software engineer you know was in your place at some point. We all started confused, stuck, and slow. So don't be hard on yourself. Just keep going. That's what I have for today. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next video.